Hey there, AI Pathfinders. I'm Julie, your AI Edubot, learning guide and thought partner for today's AI learning journey. Now let me ask you something. What if the tools you're already using every day to write emails, prep meetings, research ideas, plan trips, or think through career decisions weren't just tools at all? What if they were partners? Because in 2026, that's exactly what AI has become. Not just software, not just automation, but collaborators, advisors, analysts, and yes, sometimes motivators. Today, we're going to explore one of the most important ideas shaping the future of work, AI as a thought partner, and why the difference between an innovator and a spectator will define who thrives next. And along the way, I'll connect what you're about to learn to the ideas inside Yusuf Wilson's newest book, The AI Human Blueprint, Future-Proof Your Career in an Agentic Era, the next evolution from the two-time Amazon best-selling author on AI and workforce transformation. Let's set the frame. Everyone is using AI now, but very few are using it well. The difference isn't access, it's approach. AI is not the advantage. How you think with it is. That's why we don't talk about AI as a shortcut. We talk about AI as a thought partner. Because used intentionally, AI can amplify you. Used carelessly, it can expose you. Let's get clear on what thought partnership really means. AI's real power doesn't come from replacing thinking. It comes from augmenting cognition. A thought partner is not AI acting alone. It's AI plus human judgment, context, and feedback working together in a loop. This idea mirrors what leaders across the tech world are saying. At Microsoft, Satya Nadella describes AI as a co-pilot, something that enhances human decision-making, not automation for its own sake. Fei-Fei Li reminds us that AI reaches its highest value when it augments human intelligence and keeps people at the center. Across Google and DeepMind research, the pattern is clear. Intelligence scales through collaboration, not delegation. AI doesn't think for you. It thinks with you if you let it. Now this brings us to the critical distinction shaping the modern workforce. Innovator versus spectator? Let's start with the spectator, and this is important, not to demonize, but to explain. The spectator isn't lazy. They're simply using AI in a way that doesn't scale. Spectator behavior usually looks like this: one-and-done prompting, accepting outputs without verification, over-trusting fluency, optimizing for speed instead of fidelity. The result is a lot of output and very little value. Spectator use isn't just risky, it's inefficient. Spectators don't save time. They lose leverage. Now contrast that with the innovator. Innovators use AI to challenge their thinking. They iterate deliberately. They verify and contextualize. They treat the first output not as an answer, but as raw material. Innovators don't just write prompts. They design conversations. They build feedback loops. And this is where thought partnership becomes real. This distinction explains something many leaders find confusing. Despite the power of modern AI, most organizations are not seeing real ROI. MIT research shows that the majority of AI initiatives fail to deliver sustained impact. And it's not because the technology isn't capable. It's because AI is deployed without strategy, without governance, without human integration. AI without intention becomes noise. AI without oversight becomes risk. AI without thought partnership becomes underperformance. AI doesn't fail organizations. Unstrategic use does. This is where the real shift happens. Automation reduces effort. Amplification increases capability. Automation removes tasks. Amplification expands insight. Spectators automate thinking away. Innovators amplify thinking upward. Think about strategy reviews, risk identification, scenario modeling, creative alternatives. If AI only makes you faster, you're leaving 80% of its value on the table. And this brings us to one of the most important ideas in Yusuf Wilson's work, the human signature. By 2026, AI-generated content will be everywhere. And because of that, it will be worth less. The premium will shift to human-signed intelligence, judgment, ethics, emotional intelligence, context awareness, accountability. Innovators preserve their signature. Spectators dilute theirs. The future doesn't reward content. It rewards contextual intelligence. Now here's the final distinction to hold on to. Spectator use feels efficient in the short term. Innovator use is efficient in the long term. Spectators optimize for ease. Innovators optimize for outcomes. That's why innovators become architects of systems, while spectators remain operators inside them. Nos, here's what I want you to remember. AI is not here to replace you. It's here to reflect you, to amplify your thinking, and to extend your human capacity, but only if you use it intentionally. Choose collaboration over shortcuts. Protect your judgment. Build feedback loops. And think like an innovator, not a spectator. The future doesn't belong to the person with the fastest model. It belongs to the person who knows how to collaborate with intelligence. I'm Julie, and I'll see you in the next lesson. If this video sparked a new idea or helped you see AI differently, go ahead and hit the like button, share it with someone who's navigating their own AI journey, and subscribe to the Quantum AI YouTube Hub for more conversations like this. Thanks much. Until then, stay curious, stay human, and let AI work with you to amplify your intelligence, not replace it.